We begin with knowledge mobilization, or CHEM-B. This refers to the strategies we use to translate knowledge into action beyond the academy. We want to move knowledge from being static, trapped in a PDF, to being active, in use by a nurse, a teacher, or a city planner. In this model, we measure success not by citation count or impact factor, but by societal change. Did we fix the problem? Did we improve lives? This involves real-world application and a field called implementation science. We are trying to close the no-do gap. In public health, for example, there is often a 17-year gap between knowing something works and actually doing it in practice. We want to shrink that gap. We also look at strategies for scale. It's one thing to run a successful pilot in one school, it's another to scale it to a whole district. Transdisciplinary researchers design for scale from the beginning. We utilize participatory action research, or PAR. This methodology is designed for change. It follows a cycle: planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. The goal isn't just knowledge. It is emancipation and social justice. Ideally, the participants change their own circumstances, asterisk, through the research process itself, asterisk, not just waiting for the report. The research becomes a vehicle for empowerment. We target policy and organizational change. We provide the rigorous evidence needed to change laws. We help organizations learn and adapt. We also learn to spot policy windows, specific moments when the political system is open to new ideas. When a crisis hits, a window opens. The transdisciplinary researcher is ready with the data to step through that window and affect change. Let's talk about your future. We explore careers in transdisciplinary contexts. There is life beyond the tenure track. Transdisciplinary researchers are desperately needed in think tanks, NGOs, government agencies, and industry. We call this the alt-ac path, alternative academic. You are becoming a boundary spanner, a professional who can translate between the siloed sectors of society. That translation skill is rare and highly valuable. The future ecosystem of research is networked and team-based. The days of the solitary genius are fading. We are seeing convergence, the merging of life sciences, physical sciences, engineering, and social sciences to solve massive problems like pandemics or climate change. The key skill for the future researcher is agility, the ability to pivot quickly as global challenges evolve. You must be a learner, not just a knower. Ultimately, we strive for research for flourishing. This is our North Star. Our goal is to contribute to human and planetary well-being. We seek eudaimonia, the Greek concept of flourishing, meaning, and purpose. We ensure our research contributes to a sustainable, viable future. If our research advances our career but harms the planet, it is a failure. I leave you with a closing provocation. What kind of researcher do you want to become? Not just what methods will you use, but who will you be? How will your research contribute to the public good? I ask you to make a commitment today, not just to academic rigor, but to ethical, impactful inquiry. Decide now that your work will matter. This is the transdisciplinary mission: to integrate methods so we can see the whole picture, to practice reflexivity so we stay honest and humble, and to aim for transformation, using knowledge to heal and improve the world. It is a difficult path, but it is the necessary one. To summarize Lesson 5.5, mobilize your knowledge into action. Span boundaries to build a career that bridges sectors, and orient your entire research agenda toward human and planetary flourishing. Thank you for your dedication to this course. Go out and do good work.